Hey ghouls, today I'm going to be showing you how to do this look from The Bride. I recently saw the new movie in theaters and I was really digging the makeup, so I thought I would give it a try, and yeah, it was honestly pretty quick and easy to do. So let's get started. First, I'm setting everything with a white translucent powder just to make the base a little more pale, almost washed out. Then I'm going in with my Mayron palette and using the black shade. I'm mixing it with water and just painting it on using a small brush. I'm starting to outline the lips, and I'm not trying to make this perfect. Her lips are really uneven and almost distorted, so I'm just loosely shaping it and letting it feel a little off. I'm also taking a paper towel and lightly smudging it out just to break it up and give it that messy, smeared effect. This look is supposed to feel wrong, so in The Bride, the black staining isn't just makeup, it's meant to look like something inside her is leaking out. Like whatever brought her back to life didn't stay contained. So the lips and the splatter should feel a little chaotic, almost accidental. Then I'm taking a black liner and adding a small stitched cut on the cheek. Next, I'm taking the Mayron hair white and brushing it through my brows to give them that bleached, almost faded look. I'm not being too precise, I'm kind of pressing it in and softening it out with a tissue so it looks a little worn, not freshly done. Now for the eyes, I'm starting with a dark gray eyeshadow and placing it loosely around my eyes just to map out that hollow sunken shape. I'm also dragging a bit of that onto the nose and smudging it out with my finger and slightly under the lip just to tie everything together and make it feel a little more undone. Then I'm going in with a more brown tone shadow and blending that around my eyes. This just helps it look less flat and a little more bruised and dimensional. Now I'm adding black shadow to really deepen everything. This is where it starts to come together. The darker, the messier, the better. Also adding in some black shadow around the mouth and into the splatter. Setting everything in with one last layer of powder. Now I'm just changing into something a little more her, and this is the final look. I didn't have anything exactly like the orange she wears in the film, but I found something with a similar vibe, and honestly I feel like she'd wear anything a little chaotic anyway. So this is my take on The Bride.